Gagi. Patayin nyo nga si Stephen. Patayin nyo. Stephen, wait lang. Ba't nasa Spanish?
Pinatay ko si Stephen.
Lipat nyo. Gagi, additional points. Okay lang yan, Stephen.
Buto!
Meron sa likod. Kenji, nasaan na yung mga tao mo? Meron sa likod.
Ano? What's sa likod? What's sa likod?
Yung mga tao mo. I-fortify mo yung mga tao mo doon sa spawn nandun sa likod.
What's sa likod?
Dito sa likod nito, ito spawn nila sa baba. Ito yun. Tawagin mo yung mga tao mo, bilis. Aray. Fortify mo yan. Patayin mo lahat na mag-i-spawn dyan.
Ano sa spawn?
Dito na sa akin, pare, si Bunso.
Stephen?
Maglakad siya, sabi mo.
Why are you in the Philippine Forces?
Hindi. Wala nga, Stephen, ba't ka na sa Philippine ko, forces?
Okay.
Ay, may reward ka. Talino mo, ha? May reward ka, min. Langya. May reward ka, Stephen.
Sagot,
Ay, hindi,
Stephen.
ala, di pinayagan eh. Sayang.
I'm free.
Nawala.
Bro, I'm the first squad. And this is bottom squad. This is not the bottom spawn. Hoy, simula. Hoy. Stephen, ano ba?
Patay ko si Bunso. Pare. Kenji, ingat ka dyan, baka ma-spawn, baka dyan mag-spawn, ha?
Hoy.
Siguro may iyak na si Riderson ngayon.
Bro, I help! Si Butso!
Hindi pa namatay.
Let me check logs. Butso logs.
Oo. Nandito. Ingat ka. Nandito. Wait lang, boy. Ay, yawa. Yan.
Bakit si Stephen sa Philippine Forces?
Stephen, lipat ka. Baka mamaya masabihin man kaya tayo. Lipat ka, boy.
Yo, if this guy joins...
Ayaw ko ni truly player. Sige na, malapit na to, boys. Unleash hell na all. Lone Wolf. Nandiyan ka pa? Kunin mo yung Gatling gun mo. Barilin nyo na. Sige na. Go. Barilin nyo na. Barilin mo na sila, boy. Keep on firing at the Gatling gun.
I decided to bring you because I don't know what happened to...
Patapos na to, guys. Malapit na tayo matapos. Oh my god, I'm gonna pass.
Yeah, this is the biggest battle we've ever done yet.
Yeah, probably. No, actually not this one. Oh, actually ito. This is the biggest battle that we ever.
Because the American forces has never got 200 kills.
Laki ng kalamangan natin, no?
200 kills in total.
Money counts.
Mabembang girl who grew up. Okay, wait lang. Guys, pag nanalo tayo, if you win here, I will flash you guys and I will show you. I will turn on my cam while shaving my balls.
Alright.
Alright, let's do it. I will show you guys my balls.
Shaving your balls. Wait,
Yeah, I'm gonna
your balls have hair? Wait, your balls have hair? Wait, what? Wait, am I gonna get that?
Yeah, you are.
If we win, I'm gonna whoever
Speaking of balls, speaking of ball hair, my balls are itchy right now.
Oh, forget it. Oh,
Kasi,
ipakita nyo ang bet log nyo. Ano, Bonso? Oh my god. I'ma shower in this big helicopter. Rocco, look behind you there. The one day someone killed. Yeehaw!
Nice.
Yeehaw!
I have a question.
Howdy, partner.
Oh no! I killed myself, bro.
Howdy, partner.
Howdy, partner. Do you wanna have sex?
Silver, I'm dead. You didn't cover me. Just bring me. Bring me now.
Guys. If we win, I'll show my face. Face reveal. Ay, ikaw, my goodness, bro. I killed myself again. Bro, Solo, it's your fault.
What?
Solo, it's your fault.
Fuck you, bro.
Sana, bring mo. Para matapos na.
Go.
Oh my goodness, bro.